watched that team from quarterfinals to semifinals, and we know kung sila yung makakalaban namin. We're really gonna have a show for the people. And as you've seen, talagang it went down to the wire, to the last 30 seconds. Sino yung kakapit at sino yung magpa-perform ng mabuti kung sino yung mananalo. And then, wala akong ibang masabi kundi sobrang napahanga ako ng mga bata na nakalaban natin.
Yeah, you mentioned about the final kasi you've been used to playing international opponents, you've been also used to playing PBA, pero muntik pa kasi isang team from Davao, the Blanca. So, talk about na parang what was the lesson learned from that Spartan experience na yun nga, that despite the win, dumikit pa yung Blanca sa inyo?
Yeah, you just know that the sport is growing. I mean, people is starting to play the X3 basketball the right way. And that's why yung level of competition is ganun na kataas, no? Sobrang ganda nito para sa sport. And this is the beauty. Yung mga sinasalihan namin international, yung ganito yung Red Bull, because we don't know who are we playing against up to the last. I mean, mapapanood mo na lang sila sa quarterfinals, sa semifinals, sa elimination. We don't really have much scouting about them, and that's where the fun begins really for us. Natetest namin yung kung gaano kami ka-solid as a team. And as we go through battles like this, talagang win or lose, nakikita ko yung mga players ko, they just grow as players, as 3x3 players, and as people as well. So talagang nakakatabay ng puso para sa akin na isang coach.
Coach, paano pala yung mga preparations mo since October na? What are your plans for this upcoming?
Yeah, just like last year, ayaw na namin maulit yung nangyari last year. At the last seconds, may mga injury, may mga change of lineup. In this one, medyo critical because everyone needs to apply for US visa. Hindi mo naman pwedeng mag-apply ng US visa ng bigla-bigla lang din and things like that. So, I know with the help of Red Bull team here in the Philippines, we're gonna plan everything smoothly para at least yung practice din and preparation naman namin on the court maging maayos din. And hopefully, this four will get to represent us in New York on October.
Okay, so yun nga kasi you mentioned na yung about the growth of the 3x3 sport kasi dati yung Chooks yung pang standard nung naglaylo sila kayo na yung standard. So talk about na parang kayo na yung titignan na before Manila Chooks or ngayon kayo na yung titignan pati ng Euratech sa 3x3 kasi wala yung Chooks.
Yeah, you know, in any type of sport o kaya business, we can really just support or invest on teams or on people kapag nananalo na sila. And sobrang laki ng papasalamat ko sa TNT. Kasi talagang, even if ngayon na off-season namin, break namin, sinusuportahan pa rin nila kami, sinesend pa rin nila kami sa mga ganitong tournament. And TNT and Euratech are one of those companies na naniniwala na yung 3x3 will be the future of basketball dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Nakita nyo naman, sobrang laki ng potential natin sa 3x3 kasi tatluhan lang to 10 minutes lang to. Pag ginalingan mo ng sobra, kapag naglaro ka ng almost close to perfect basketball, may chance na talunin mo kahit sino. Kahit sino. Nasa tamang preparation at sa tamang player lang din, syempre. And hopefully, matuloy-tuloy natin to and hindi tayo, laging mag-back to zero or mag-ulitan kapag parang ayaw na ulit natin ng 3x3, balik na ulit tayo sa 5-on-5 lang na focus. So, hopefully, sa mga stakeholders natin na naniniwala sa 3x3 basketball at sa future ng 3x3 basketball, sana po, patuloy nyo supportahan yung sport.
Okay. Although it's just 6 months away, paano magiging usapan niya sa PBA kung sakasay tadama yung Red Bull sa PBA?
Yun nga, kagandahan, 6 months away pa siya. So, hopefully, the Red Bull also can help us out in writing up some requests to the PBA na itong month na to or itong week na to, these players. But, 4 lang naman to, I have other players pa sa TNT. So, kahit kung isend ko sila, may mga maiiwan pa naman dito. That's next problem pa. Siguro ngayon, yung US visa muna yung problemahin natin. Hopefully, ma-approve yung mga mag-a-apply ng US visa.
Okay.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you, ha.
Thank you.